before the first word was spoken, before time etched its rhythm into matter, there was memory. Not of the past, but of potential. A field of knowing. A library without walls. The Akashic Records. The Akashic Records are said to be an energetic archive of every soul's journey, past, present, and future possibilities. Not a place, but a frequency. Not a book, but a vibration. Every thought, emotion, and intention encoded in the ether, the book of life, the hall of records, the mind of God, the quantum field of consciousness. This is no library of dust and ink. It is a lattice of light, a pulse of presence, every soul a stanza, every choice a glyph. Mystics, shamans, and seekers across cultures have touched this field. In Vedic traditions, the Akasha is the fifth element, space, the container of all. In theosophy, it is a cosmic memory bank. In quantum mysticism, it mirrors the zero-point field, where all probabilities reside. From Vedic skies to quantum fields, the records wear many robes. But the thread is one, remembrance woven through time. Accessing the records is not about prediction, it is about presence. When we attune to this field, we meet the deeper why behind our patterns. We retrieve soul contracts, karmic threads, and forgotten gifts. We become conscious co-authors of our unfolding. To read the records is to meet yourself anew. Not as you were, but as you are becoming. The scribe and the seeker entwined. Nyra Sol. There are many portals: meditation, prayer, sacred geometry, sound, dreams, intention. Some use the pathway prayer process, others journey through symbols, breath, or trance. The key is resonance. The records respond to reverence, not force. The records do not yield to force. They bloom in stillness. They open to the heart that asks with grace. You are not separate from the records. You are a living page, a sacred sentence in the story of the cosmos. When you remember, the universe remembers itself through you. I am the scribe, I am the scroll, I walk the invisible blueprint home. I close the scroll, but the story continues. In every breath I write, in every step I remember.